Okay,
This call
we are
is
going
now
to learn
being recorded.
plusquamperfect. If anything we do in the present, so we call it gegenwart.
Given one.
Okay, anything we have done in the past, we call it Vergangenheit. It would be Prateritum or perfect.
Perfect.
Okay, anything which is done past of past. Okay, it is another past. So we call it for Vergangenheit. Okay, for Vergangenheit.
Right.
Okay, now we will learn with the help of rules and some examples. Okay, one by one. Topic is plusquam perfect. Okay, that is in English past perfect. In German is used to describe an action that occurred before another past action. Okay, the guys, for example, past perfect is the in German is used to describe an action that occurred before another past. Okay, before another past. For example, guys, example, er hatte gelesen. Okay, or second is sie war gegangen. Meaning is he read, and second is she had gone. Clear, guys? Rule is subject plus hatten or waren plus object plus verb 3. Okay, hatten we will use for no movement, and waren we use for movement. Okay, object and verb 3. So guys, for example, now I will give you the example. Okay, guys, this rule is clear or not?
Yeah, clear, sir.
Okay, subject plus hatten plus waren plus object plus verb third form. Okay, we use this form like in English we use for past perfect. Okay, what we have done in past of past. Okay, For example, guys, now I will write down some example here. Er hatte das Auto schon repariert, bevor der Kunde anrief. Uh, can anyone tell the meaning?
We had
He has
already repaired before
already.
the customer arrived.
Repaired the car before the customer called. So, guys, can you please tell me what was the first action in past? First, like he repaired the car or the customer called.
Repair the car.
Okay, repair the car. This is the first action. First action we will make in plusquamperfect. Okay, plusquamperfect, and then next action after that. So we have made it in preteritum. Is it clear or not?
Yes.
Okay, so guys, first action we will make into the plusquamperfect, and second action we can make either preteritum or participes y. Clear? So guys, I will give you one more example. Next example, guys. Nachdem sie die Party nachdem sie die sorry Prüfung bestanden hatten, feierten sie zusammen. Guys, can you please tell me the meaning?
After they had passed the exam, they celebrated together.
Very good. After they had passed the exam, they celebrated together. So, guys, can you please tell me what was the first action? Like they passed the exam or they celebrated it?
Pass the
Passed.
exam.
They passed the exam. So, first action we will make plusquamperfect. Okay. And second action preteritum. Guys, this Nagdem, it is Nebenzats. Okay, this is Nebenzats. With Nagdem, you will use verb at the end. Clear, guys? Shraddha, Sharmila, and Sandeep.
Yeah, clear.
Okay, so one more example. Shraddha, you are not speaking. Why?
No, sir, I listen because it's very difficult.
Shraddha, first point is you are not taking the class regular basis. Okay, because in the past classes I have like we have done already preteritum participes y. Okay, now you are taking the class, so it is very hard to understand like all these things.
Okay.
Yeah, guys, I will give you more example. Okay, देखिए श्रद्धा, मैं आपको बता दूं थोड़ा सा। देखिए, आपने लाइक जैसे होते हैं ना, जो चीज पास्ट में भी उसकी पास्ट में हुई है, उसे हम बनाएंगे प्लुसक्वाम परफेक्ट से। ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लाइक मैंने बोला कि लाइक नागदेम जी दी प्रूफुंग bestanden hatten feierten sie zusammen after they had passed the exam, they celebrated together. ओके, लाइक आफ्टर दैट, जब उन्होंने एग्जाम पास कर लिया था तो सेलिब्रेट करा। ओके, सो जो एक्शन पहले हुआ है वो हम बनाएंगे प्लुसक्वाम परफेक्ट से, और उसके बाद जो एक्शन हुआ है वो बनाएंगे पास्ट से। ओके, जो हम पास्ट की चीज़ और पास्ट में चले जाते हैं तो वो हम बनाते हैं प्लुसक्वाम परफेक्ट। और उसके लिए जो रूल है, सब्जेक्ट हाटन वारन, हाटन लगेगा जब आपकी मूवमेंट नहीं होगी, वारन लगेगा जब मूवमेंट होगी, ऑब्जेक्ट एंड वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म। ओके, थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजिंग है नो डाउट, बट अगर आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे, अगर इन्हें घर पर जाकर अगेन इन्हें देखोगे सारे सेंटेंसेस, डेफिनेटली आपको समझ में आएगा। ओके, नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल गाइस, एर वार नाक हाउजा gegangen before das meeting to end the war। क्या श्रद्धा मीनिंग?
He
He
go
went
went to his house went to his house before the meeting finished.
He had gone home
before the meeting and
before the meeting
Finished and
was over। Okay, guys, one more example I will give you। Okay, wir hatten das Spiel verloren before wir die Strategie and guys, meaning is
we lost the game before the strategy change.
वेरी गुड। तो इसमें पहला एक्शन गेम लॉस हुआ है या स्ट्रेटेजी चेंज करी है?
lost the
Lost
game.
the lost.
यस, ओके, दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव मेड द सेंटेंस इनटू प्लुसक्वाम परफेक्ट और इन इंग्लिश पास्ट परफेक्ट। ओके
Yes.
गाइस, कैन यू प्लीज मेक एटलीस्ट टू और थ्री सेंटेंस? श्रद्धा, शर्मिला एंड संदीप। Guys, have you made the sentences? Sharmila, Shraddha, and Sandeep.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I made some.
Okay, so yeah, Sharmila, please tell.
Er war gegangen zur Schule, bevor er seine Hausaufgaben gemacht hatte.
Gemacht habe.
hatte.
No, wrong. So first action you need to make in plusquamperfect, and second action you will make into preteritum or participle square.
That when I mentioned gegangen,
So it
er
was in
war
it was in plusquamperfect, right? Guys, can you please write down the sentences, Shraddha, Sharmila, and Sandeep? Then I will explain you. Okay? Please write down the sentences. Okay. So guys, er war zur Schule gegangen, bevor er seine Hausaufgaben gemacht habe. Sharmila, first action you will make into plusquamperfect. So what was the first action?
first action he was going school. He went
Okay.
school.
Yeah.
He went school before he finished his homework.
Yeah. So first action you will make into plusquamperfect. Er war zur Schule gegangen. Perfect. Then next sentence you will make into Participes Y or Präteritum. Seine Hausaufgaben gemacht habe. Okay, gemacht habe.
Okay.
Next, hat den Bus verpasst, bevor die Haltestelle erreicht hat. Wrong. Okay. So in second sentence, hatte. Sharmila, is it clear?
Yeah.
Hatte then Bus verpasst, before the Haltestelle, H should be in capital letter. The Haltestelle erreicht hat. Okay. Or erreicht, you will use. Okay, next is Shraddha. जी हटन कॉकन बिफोर श्रद्धा, इसमें आपने वर्ब 3 कहाँ यूज करा है श्रद्धा? श्रद्धा, आर यू देयर?
Yes, sir.
आपने इसमें एर हटा कॉकन लिखा है, इसमें वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म कहाँ पर है? जो प्लुस्कुअम परफेक्ट का रूल यही तो है ना, सब्जेक्ट हो गया, हटन आपने यूज करा है, ऑब्जेक्ट ठीक है, वर्ब 3 कहाँ पर है?
She had a cook. She uh, she she cook already before her mother come.
कैन एनीवन टेल द आंसर? gekocht. What?
Get cook.
Yeah, before देयर मदर होता है. क्लियर?
Okay.
श्रद्धा, आपको जो इसका रूल है ना, जस्ट गिव मी सेकंड, इसमें गेम आएगा. यस, जो इसका रूल है, जी हाटा गिकॉक्ट, देखो सब्जेक्ट प्लस हाटन और वारन, ओके, प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म. तो आपको वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म भी यूज करनी है. ओके, शूल बडी इन जर्मन. ओके, या, and shown you will write down here. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, wir waren nach Paris. The comes to end the war. Okay, wir waren na, yes, perfect. Clear, Sandeep?
Okay.
Guys, maybe there are more practice here. So, Sharmila, please read. Bay.
Was war vorher wurden Sie so und schreiben Sie die Sätze im Plusquamperfekt. What was before? Order
Yeah,
it and write the statement in Plusquamperfekt.
guys, you will do as a homework this one. Okay, you will make the sentences with plusquamperfect. Okay, and next point, guys, I will explain you one more time. Okay, if it is like you are able to understand, tomorrow we will also continue this topic. Okay, plusquamperfect. So guys, for example, you are talking about present, so wir fahren, you will use, this is gegenwart, this is in present. Okay, früher meaning before, so we make sentence wir verloren uns aus den Augen. in Vergangenheit. Wir haben beschlossen, etwas zu ändern. So you will make the sentence either Präteritum or perfect. Okay. When we are talking about noch früher, पहले का भी पहले, okay, then you will make the sentence plusquamperfect. The rule is subject haben sein in Präteritum is hatten on waren object and then participes y. Clear, guys? Shraddha, Sharmila, and Sandeep.
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, like tomorrow we will continue our class, and we will learn before knock them, beside them, where, and also then little bit it will be clear. Okay, guys.
Ja, okay, sir.
Okay. So guys, das ist alles für heute. Vielen Dank. Tschüss. Auf Wiederhören.
Danke, sir.
Bitte schön.
Today, Horan.
Ja.